Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. So in this video I will guide you how to withdraw your seed token to your seed Web3 wallet. So as you can see, here is the interface of my seed wallet. So all you need to do is to come and click this section adventure and click on it. So before we go directly into our video, if this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So let's come and click on this adventure first. So after you click on adventure, you need to come for this section which is airdrop and then click on it. So make sure your wallet is connected. But if your wallet is not connected, I have already made the video about how to connect your wallet. Go and check it so that you will understand how to connect your wallet in a simple way. So let's go and click on check your airdrop. Here is the section that you need to click, and click on dashboard here. So after you click on dashboard, so here is the interface of where that you need to send your token to the Sui wallet. So all you need to do is to come this section like at the withdrawal. So let's get back to into seed announcement so that we may see like how the withdrawal will be step by step. So as we can see, here is the announcement that they made in their Telegram channel, which they said that like 22 hours left until seed listing. To the top question on everyone's mind is, how do I withdraw seed to a CEX? So to withdraw your token to the CEX, you need to wait until 11 a.m. UTC, which is universal time clock, so that you will be able to withdraw your seed into your Web3 wallet, which is a Sui wallet, so that you will send it to your preferred exchange that you need to send it. So calm down and wait the exact time to be done, so that you should go and send your token to the exchange. So let's get back into our seed Telegram mini app. So as you can see, like here you need to like make at least 0.01 Sui in your wallet for Gaspi, because you will definitely require it to send your token. Like definitely it is necessary. What I mean, like definitely it is necessary to provide it, because you need a Gaspi to send your token to any like wallet or exchange that you need to send your seed token. So here it is. I think I made it like very clear, like you can the way you can understand it. So here it is. If this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.